Hello students, welcome back to Engineers Academy. Kindly subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. Now I am going to solve this fundamental problem 12.9. In this problem it is said that the particle travels along a straight track such that its position is determined by the S of t graph. So this S of t graph is given, right? And we are asked to construct the Vt graph from the same time interval, right? So for the same time interval we have to draw the V of t graph, right? So we are given that from t greater than 0 and less than 6 seconds, S of t is given as 0.5 t cube, right? So this is given. So from time 0 to 6 seconds, the particle position is a function of time and which is equal to 0.5 t cube. So if you want to find V of t, so V of t will be equal to ds divided by dt. So this comes out to be, if we take the derivative of this, so this comes out to be 1.5 t square, right? So now if we want to draw the graph of this, so let's say that velocity at t equals to 0 is 0, right? So we can plot that velocity on this graph, right? So I have drawn these two axes. This is on the y-axis, this is velocity, and on the x-axis this is time in second, right? So at t equals to 0, the velocity is 0, right? And let's say that we want to find the velocity after 3 seconds. So the velocity after 3 seconds will be 1.5 into 3 square, and this comes out to be 13.5 meters, right? And let's say if you want to find the velocity at t equals to 6 seconds, right? So velocity at 6 seconds will be equal to 1.5 into 6 square, so this comes out to be 54 meters, right? So now, and as we can see that this is a parabolic curve, it's a second degree curve, right? So at t equals to 0, the velocity is 0. At t equals to 3 seconds, let's say this is 1, 2, and let's say this is 3 seconds. So at 3 seconds, let's say that this one box is 10 meters in this direction, right? So at t equals to 3, let's say that somewhere is 13.5, right? And at t equals to 6 seconds, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say at t equals to 6 seconds, the velocity is 54, right? So let's say if this is 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so somewhere here, right? So this means that since it's a second degree curve, so we have to draw a freehand sketch between these 2 points, and this should be a curved sketch, right? So this will not be a straight line, right? So we can join it like this. So at this particular point, the velocity is how much? So this velocity is 54 meter per second, right? So this is meter per second, and this is again meter per second, right? And then we can see that when time is greater than 6 seconds and less than 10 seconds, right? For this time interval, the position is constant, right? So this is 108. So this means that the particle is not changing its position after 6 seconds, right? So this means that if you find the velocity, so then we have to take the derivative of this. So then this comes out to be 0. So this means that after 6 seconds, the velocity is 0, right? So this means that this graph will fall immediately, right? And this will fall and the velocity will become 0, right? So after 6 seconds until 10 seconds, the velocity is 0, right? So we can represent that 0 velocity like this. So let's say that somewhere here is 10 seconds, right? So this is the velocity graph. So we can write that the velocity is 0.5 t square, right? And this is at t equals to 3 seconds, right? So this is the V of t graph from this S of t graph.